free?
They said what we did actually worked.
Say, Mom.
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog.
I'm sorry, did you not like that door?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
Like what, dude? He's just looking at you. He's a baby.
Look at his face. Dumb little face.
What's wrong? What's
You know you can talk to me, right? I will not tell a single soul. I promise. I pinky.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, you know, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go. Okay, Charlie, that's enough.
Me voy a matar, que me último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.